My name is Paxton. I'm a part owner and also director of Riverview Farms in Dargaville. So Riverview Farms is a family owned and operated business. We started it up in 2001. We grow kumara and also fattened beef and lambs on a farming platform of 500 acres. It's always been in my blood, second generation kumara grower. So Mum and Dad started growing kumaras back in the early 90s, bought their first John Deere in 1994 that we still have to this day. So we have 12 John Deeres to date, ranging from 70 to 290 horsepower. This one that's just been dropped off today will be number 13. So this 6120M will be replacing our original 6400. We've actually, over the last 10 years I guess, gone exclusively to John Deere products, and we have noticed a big difference in regards to issues I guess, especially with the grease, with our harvesters, just our machines as well. Using John Deere lubricants and oils, I guess for us it's the lack of breakdowns that we've really noticed over the years. They kind of speak for themselves. For us, having a 500-hour service interval has been a game changer. Obviously less downtime, less costs obviously involved with a 500-hour service. I personally wouldn't recommend using a cheaper oil if you want to achieve a 500-hour service. Obviously with the quality John Deere products, peace of mind, you know your tractor's going to be in safe hands. It's an awesome lifestyle. We absolutely love it out here, especially being a part of a family business. It's pretty special, kids all growing up together. You do work hard, it is hard work and there's tough times, but we absolutely love it. We are well supported with a John Deere dealership. In that regard, we are able to, for us, have a bit of downtime because the job's done, go fishing, have family time. No, they're awesome, they've been really good.